Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Twitter account private. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Twitter app here, and if you want to make it private, it prevents anyone from seeing your tweets without them requesting to be a follower and you approving them. So to do that, at the very top left here, we will tap on the profile icon. And then we'll scroll down a bit and get to settings and privacy, and we'll tap on that. Once we're in here, you can see about midway down is privacy and safety. We'll want to tap on that. And then you can see at the very top here is audience and tagging. We'll want to tap on that. Now, this is the option that we want to turn on. Protect your tweets. It says only show your tweets to people who follow you. If selected, you will need to approve each new follower. So if I toggle that on, then my account will be private. Of course, anybody that is currently following me will still be able to see any of my tweets. I can always go in and remove them as a follower if I no longer want them to be able to see my tweets. But by turning protect your tweets on, now you have a private Twitter account. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.